Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about AMP coin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the currently live and latest price of AMP. What surprise changes occur in the AMP coin. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, guys, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly please I request all of you to subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos. It is time, guys, if we talk about the current price of AMP coin. So the live and latest price of AMP in the market is about 0.049328 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price update of AMP. Other side, guys, if we talk about the changes update of AMP coin, so now the last 1 hour update is absolutely positive 0.13%. The last 1 day changes is going negative 7.03%, and last 1 week change is also positive. So don't worry, guys, don't worry about these negative changes. Very soon the changes of AMP coin will become positive and they will give you profit, guys. So on the basis of this update, I recommend, I suggest, especially for my viewers, my subscriber, my followers, please kindly, it's time to hold, not to sell, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about AMP coin? Also share in the comment box. And guys, if you are new on my channel, so subscribe now. Thanks for watching.